Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create and back up your Bigcommerce store. Backing up data is important for protecting products, customer information, and store settings in case unexpected issues occur. Now, let's get started. On the Bigcommerce dashboard, we begin by backing up the products. On the Products page, click the drop-down button and select Export. Once redirected to the Export page, click Bulk Edit and Export as CSV. By clicking Continue, a link will appear to start the export. Wait for the download and download the products file. Once complete, we have a backup of the products. Next, we back up the orders. Go to Orders and click Exports. Use the built-in export and select CSV. Click to confirm if everything is correct. Then, click Continue. The export will start, and once finished, click Download My Orders. This confirms that the order data has been downloaded. Now that we have products and orders backed up, we move to backing up our customers. Under Customers, there is an Export option. Click this one and continue. Select Bulk Edit and then Export to Microsoft Excel as a CSV. Click Continue and export the customer data to a CSV file. Once it is done generating, click Download Customers. A confirmation will appear once the download is complete. Next, we back up the store themes. Click Themes and select the theme you want to download. Then, click Advanced and choose to download the current theme or the original version. Download as needed. If you want to download both, you will need to do it manually. To download the current theme, click and a confirmation message will appear. Next, click Continue. Wait for the download to finish. Once the process is complete, you can see the progress. After completing these steps, all our Bigcommerce information, from orders to themes, will be backed up. Regular backups help keep our store's data safe and provide peace of mind as our business grows.